Hi everyone, Gigi here from Dawn of Braids on Instagram, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get this super voluminous Barbie-inspired hair. So yeah, let's get to the tutorial. I'm going to clip in a full set today just so there's ultimate volume, length, so it's super Barbie. Alright, so I know I said I put a full set in, but just having done the back clips, I think 3 wefts is plenty. You can use the 4th one just depending on your hair, but now I'm going to go and clip in the top 2. Okay, so now that you put the full set in minus the 2 smaller wefts, like this very small ones, and the other weft that didn't clip in the back, my hair's already starting to look way more voluminous, way longer, and just generally more Barbie-like. Alright, so now I'm just going to go ahead and curl my hair with a 19mm wand. You can use any size just depending on your personal preference. I tend to use a smaller curl because I find that as the days go on, the curls drop out and then you get more days out of your curls, so they go from really tight to just wavy, but you can do whatever your personal preference is. Okay, so I'm just going to clip up the majority of my hair and curl the bottom layer. Is at this stage where you'd want to put in a heat protectant. I just did mine off camera, but yeah, just make sure you do that so your hair stays safe. Okay, and when you're curling, you can either curl towards your face, away from your face, or alternate. Alternating gives a more natural wave. My personal preference is away from my face, so I'm going to do that for the majority of the curls. So when you release the curl, you can just catch it and hold it for a few seconds as it cools. This will help it keep its shape. Yeah, so particularly if your hair struggles holding curl, this is a great tip. You can also use bobby pins or just a clip to clip it up as well, which will make it last a lot longer. If you want, you can also use a styling mousse or spray before you start as well. I would probably not use a hairspray until you've done all the curls because I find that it just makes them hard to curl and it's kind of annoying because they all stick together, so yeah. Okay, so now I finished curling my entire head. According to my camera, that took about 25 minutes, which is longer than it would take without extensions, but not by a lot. So from here, I feel like it looks a bit like a line, and maybe you want to leave it like that, but I don't. So I'm just going to carefully brush these out with my fingers a little bit. I'm then going to take a comb and gently tease sections of my hair. Now, usually when you try to make your hair more voluminous, you can do it at the root, and I'll certainly do that. But I also think that it does pay off to do a little bit here and there as well to give that extra volume. Now, when I backcomb the roots, I like to use a volumizing powder just for maximum oomph. I'm going to be using the Puff Me spray from Design Me Hair. Okay, so there's the super voluminous hair. You can just add some hairspray and you're ready to go. Thank you for watching. Please follow me at Dawn of Braids on Instagram and subscribe to Cliphair on YouTube for more tutorials and great hairstyles. Thank you.